Hi everyone, this is Teacher Jen from camgush.com and welcome to Essential Grammar News Book by Raymond Murphy. Today we will discuss a new lesson and it's on Unit 66. It's about singular and plural forms of the noun. Now, we will talk about in this lesson about the plural of nouns. How do we form the plural of nouns? For example, trains and buses. The plural of a noun is usually with S. We add S. For example, these words on the left are all singular, meaning only one. But the words on the right are plural, meaning two or more. Let's read some of them. A flower. That's singular, plural. Some flowers. A flower, some flowers. We just have to add S. Next, train, two trains. 1 week, a few weeks. A nice place, some nice places. This student, these students. If you have noticed, all of these words, when we made it into plural, we just have to add S. A flower, some flowers. We just have to add S. That's the basic rule in grammar when we are making the plural form of the noun. Now, let's take a look at some more rules or spelling rules. As you can see here, first one, if the words end in S, SH, CH, or X, we have to add ES. Again, we have to add ES. For example, bus, buses. Dish, dishes. Church, churches. Box, boxes. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. So, as you can see here, also, if the words end with O, then we also have to add ES. Now let's go on. If the noun ends with Y, then we have to remove Y and change it into IES. For example, baby, babies. Party, parties. Dictionary, dictionaries. But if the Y, or yes, if Y has a vowel before it, for example, AY, EY, and OY, then we have to just add S. For example, day, days. Monkey, monkeys. Boy, boys. So remember, if Y is has a consonant before or is preceded before, if Y is preceded before a consonant letter, then we have to remove Y and change it into IES. But if Y is preceded by a vowel letter, specifically A, E, or O, then we just have to add S. Now, there are more. If the nouns end in F or FE, we have to remove F and change it into VES. For example, shelf, shelves. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Did you understand it all, students? Now let's have a review. When we are forming the plural form of the noun, Basically, the rule is to add s, as with these examples. A flower, some flowers. But of course, we have some spelling rules we have to follow. If the nouns end in s, sh, ch, or x, or o, we have to add es, as with these words. And then, if the word ends in y, preceded by a consonant, then that means we have to change y into ies. Okay? Now, if the word ends in y also, but is preceded by vowels, for example, a, e, or o, then we have to just add s. That's the difference. Remember that, everybody. And the last one, if our nouns end in f or fe, we have to change f or fe into ves. Now, students, I want you to review this lesson and memorize all the important information about making the plural form of the noun. Also, I would like to encourage you to enroll in camgush.com's classes because we can definitely help you improve your English skills. Now, this is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something. This is Teacher Jen from camgush.com saying goodbye and see you on our next video. Goodbye!